another video, and this time we're going to talk about 5 makeup products that fit a college student's budget and our budget too.
Aisha, you remember how difficult it is to be in college to buy makeup? Like we had to save every penny from our pocket.
Goals.
Yes.
Those were our goals. So we won't talk much and we'll get into the video. I mean, we'll take you guys into the video.
Yes. So that you guys don't have to do what we did in our college days.
That is struggle.
Yes.
So let's get into it. Number 1.
So the first product that would fit every college student's budget is the Maybelline Clear Glow BB Stick. So this is really affordable. It's just priced at 250 rupees, and this is really easy to apply. It doesn't get patchy. It easily blends on your skin, and it works the best if you have to apply it under eye. You can just cover up your dark circles. So I recommend every college student to get this at least. There are 2 shades. One is the Fawn and one is Radiance. I use 02 Radiance according to my skin tone.
Even I use the same. Yeah.
So be very careful when you're buying this because you need to buy it according to your skin tone, otherwise it would look a little awkward. So the second product is
this amazing product from Maybelline again, Clear Glow All-in-One Fairness Compact Powder.
Don't you think we are endorsing Maybelline way too
Yes,
much?
but I love Maybelline and
Same
there's
here,
more coming
I love
up there
Maybelline.
from Maybelline again. So this is Shine Free Cake Powder. It's really amazing, especially for me because I have an extremely oily type of skin. So whichever compact I use, it doesn't suit my skin at all. By the end of the day, I become like so oily, like really oily. So I use this for every day. It's in the shade 01, it's called Light. So that suits my complexion, so I use this one. Again, as Sharon said, you have to be careful about choosing the shade. The best part about this Shine Free Cake Powder from Maybelline is that it's priced at only 225 rupees. I know, Sharon. Obviously. So number 3
is the Lakme Iconic Kajal. Lakme has come up with this iconic collection which includes mascara as well as kajal. But I highly recommend the Lakme Iconic Kajal because it's deep black, intense. Using this is going to be comparatively easy compared to the Maybelline Lotion Kajal, and this doesn't smudge. I can vouch for it. It doesn't smudge. It's waterproof, and you can always use it on your upper lid. I wouldn't recommend using this on your water lid because I haven't done it, so I'm not very sure how it is. This is just 180 rupees. It's not even heavy on a student's pocket. Anybody can easily avail of this. So I'm sure you should get this. So the next product is, you have to show it to them.
Okay. So this is Maybelline Color Show Nail Polish. I obsess over these. I love Maybelline Color Show. So Maybelline Color Show is really good. It's not only the price, but the best part about it is that the colors in Color Show are amazing. They are so trendy and the application is just awesome. Like, I know you guys must have seen, but still the best part about Maybelline is the brush, which is not too flat and not too thick. So I love the brush, and at least it happens with me that I finish the nail polish but the nail polish won't dry up. So that's the best part. That's the plus point. Nude Skin from Maybelline. I finished like
Watch the previous video to know this.
Yes. So Nude Skin, I finished 5 bottles already. This is my 6th bottle. Maybelline Color Show is actually priced at 100 rupees, but they have also come up with new amazing colors. So number 4 is this amazing Miss Claire lip cream.
Yes.
Has to be my favorite. Has to be her favorite.
Yes.
So this Miss Claire lip cream, I think I discovered it like 6 to 7 months back, and ever since then I stopped buying any other lipstick.
And then she gifted this to me last Christmas, and after that I can never use any other lip cream or lipstick because this is the best, and we saved the best for the last.
And you know guys, the best part is like we both have oily skin, so I cannot wear glossy lipsticks. If I wear glossy lipstick, literally people look at me and they're like, what have you done to your lips? Like the lipstick will come out like this. So it looks
there's
shabby.
way too much of oil on your skin.
Yeah. So it looks pathetic. So lip cream is not it will not make your lips matte and dry like other lipsticks, but it's also very light in weight. Like when you wear Miss Claire lip cream, you won't actually feel like you're wearing anything on your
And
lips.
you won't be doing like how we used to earlier do, like
I know.
because it's that comfortable. It really blends fast, so it gives a very definite and
Yeah.
a very complete look.
It's priced at 175.
Yes.
But it's different in different stores. Like
Yes.
in beauty store, Borivali I bought it for 160. In Ghatkopar I bought it for 170.
But the only problem about this is it's a little difficult to find because a lot of stores don't keep it. So if you ever find this,
Just go for it.
without
Grab
thinking.
it.
Yeah, go buy. So I hope this video was helpful. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up.
Also, please subscribe to our channel to watch us regularly. And please comment below and let us know which one was your favorite from the products we listed. And if you have more suggestions, if you know some products which we could buy for a very cheaper price, then please let us know.
Comment below.
Yes, and
And you can follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.
also don't forget to share with everyone.
Yes, share.
So we'll see you guys next week. Bye.
Compared to the
Maybelline Colossal.
yeah, compared to the Maybelline, no, you can take a look at this.
Sharon does that all the time.
Yes.